Guys, it's 40 degrees here on the homestead today, or this morning. Pretty early this morning yet, but haven't really done a video on the Toyota since I finished doing a major overhaul, so I thought I would film a little bit, get it started. So I'm gonna flip this camera around. So like most of my projects, I never quite finish it. Still looking for the plastic clip so I can put my door seals on. I got this one on, but don't have my door panels. Don't have those on. It's literally so far just 2 seats in there. No visors, no mirror, no lights. Gas gauge. It works sometimes, but most of the time the gas gauge doesn't work. Speedometer doesn't work. What else doesn't work? I had to put a temp gauge, that original one. Pretty much anything up here doesn't work. Volts work, oil pressure works. I gotta find the right key here. And let's see how she starts up cold. Windshield wipers are a bit straight. I gotta bend them more, I think. They're not really cleaning the window. I never could find this latch. If any of you guys know if the newer Toyota latches, by newer I mean 90s, fit on an 81. For now I just sealed this thing solid. Like an idiot, I put the new windshield in using the old gasket, and I didn't put any other sealant. So when it rains, it leaks. I'm just gonna let this guy warm up. Horn doesn't work. I'm gonna take you down the road with me. I've been taking metal scrap piles out of here, and it drives fine, but I don't feel like it's as snappy as it should be. Tree sap, I guess. Another reason, guys, I'm glad I didn't pay no $600 for a gallon of paint, is hauling brush and scrap metal and wood and everything. This damn thing's already scratched up. So the question is, would it have done that with $600 paint? I don't know. So yeah, I feel like it should be a little bit snappier. Like when you put the pedal in it, going down the freeway, I just don't feel I'm getting the speed out of it. So the front of my shop here, I need to get in there and rip that siding off this front. Got the rest of it off, I believe. But I've always had this big eyesore of trash and metal that collects right here. I've taken most of it out yesterday. 2 loads of metal so far. A little bit more, some snowmobile parts, tractor metal, engine parts, all that kind of stuff. And just a ton of wire. They hate to see me bring bob wire, but there's a lot of wire mixed in here. Wire over there. So I'm gonna grab all the metal I can out of here, then come back and get a trash run out of here. Carpets down there. And more crap over there. Alright, I think it's warmed up. Alright. Oh, can't even see through the windows. Alright guys, we're loaded up, ready to go to the dump. I'm going to show you guys the test run on this. If it wants to go, there we go. And I'll show you once we get out on the freeway here how it shifts. Rarely do I need to put it in fifth. I don't think the carb is quite right.